Alrighty guys, what's going on today? So today I'm going to be talking to you about this little essential oils diffuser from a company called Radha Beauty. It's really great diffuser for essential oils. One thing I really like about it, it's very small, it's very discreet, fits nicely into just about any household with a simple kind of like modern white design. So it's great for having it in the bedroom, in the office, even having it maybe in a little like music or yoga studio. It's very it looks attractive for what it is. It's very lightweight. It's small. It can be moved from room to room without issue, and it just stays out of the way and does its job, which is great. I mean, you don't need like a giant oil diffuser, so this is great that they've made this and made it so compact. So I'm going to talk a little bit about features on it and I guess what I like about it. So for starters, this thing is incredibly quiet. That's the one thing I really dig. Even when it's on and in action, it's quiet. You could easily be sleeping, watching TV, just kicking back, whatever, and you really won't even notice that it's running or that it's spraying mist and things like that. It's very quiet and inconspicuous. So I dig that about it. It also is made to automatically shut off after a certain amount of time, so you don't have to worry about it running forever. This is especially helpful if you're someone who just wants to leave it on when you sleep. You can know that it's not going to be running and everything all night, which is, it's great. On the actual unit, you have 3 different misting modes that you can use, and you can toggle between those using this mist button. Thing is, it won't really tell you which ones they are. That's what I don't like about it. But you can do like an intermittent mist where it will just mist every so often. You can also do a continuous mist. Continuous mist basically just lets out mist continuously, so it just doesn't really ever stop, but it's a little lighter sprays, I guess you could call it. And then you have the lights only thing. As you can see, you have the lights right here. You could turn those on and you just toggle through those pressing the light button. You can let it go at the beginning and it will just change on its own, or you can pick your own color. You have a wide array of colors that you can pick. I really don't like that it beeps whenever you change it. That to me is just kind of annoying. It's like, okay, well, if you're trying to be quiet and relaxed, I would rather not have something that beeps. But it's again not the biggest deal in the world. Yeah, you can go through those. You see, you have a lot of options, and then you have lights off as well. So yeah, that's really all you get down here. You get lights and mist, and it's very simple, very self-explanatory. That's pretty much what it is. I put a few drops of my essential oils in there, maybe like 5 or 6 drops of essential oils in there every time I use it, and it really makes everything smell great. It can really fill up a room, not in like an overpowering way, but it's it's very just like a light sort of mist throughout the room. And the great thing about this too is you can also use it as like a pseudo humidifier. You can do it with oil, without oil, just add water maybe. Keep it next to your bed at nighttime. This is great for those who maybe live in drier areas. Like we live in LA and it can get definitely pretty dry out here sometimes. So it's nice to be able to have like a humidifier to utilize, so we can keep our lungs feeling nice and not dry, I guess. And it's also great for those who have maybe like coughs or colds, or maybe even breathing problems at night. So it can be very helpful. As for actually keeping this thing nice and clean and in shape, basically you can just use vinegar. The directions state to use vinegar, so that's what I use. Comes out pretty clean. You don't get the vinegar smell once you wash it out with water. And that way you can, stop your oil smells from mixing with each other. Because if you put one oil in there and then you have maybe something that's a little bit stronger from last time, that might overpower it. So it's good to definitely keep it clean. One other thing I will say that I don't really like about this thing is how bright the lights are. It's kind of maybe difficult to tell with the camera, but it does get very bright during the night. So if you're using this to sleep, it might be kind of an issue. I definitely couldn't sleep with the lights on. It's way too bright for me. I wish it could maybe be more like a dim night light, but that's that, I guess. Yeah, so anyway, if you need a good diffuser for essential oils, I would highly recommend checking this out. Again, it's the Radha Beauty Essential Oil Diffuser, and yeah, check it out, y'all. Take it easy.